I'm Karthik Raju, pursuing Bachelor's in Computer Science from Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology. I believe it is very important in today's world to be able to communicate effectively so as to convince people to buy your views and ideas. And Beck has helped me do just that. The informative sessions that we, the test takers, had with our mentor has broadened my horizons deeply about the various aspects of communication, both verbal and written. Beck has also helped me develop my analytical writing skills and my email writing skills as well. In addition, Beck has helped me overcome my greatest fear of building up conversations with strangers. So, if honing your skills tops your priorities, then Beck is for you. Invest your time for a better you. Take Beck soon.
Hi, I'm Aditi Ghotikar, a final year bachelor student of Computer Science Engineering at Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, India. I have completed 2 levels of Beck certification, that is Beck Preliminary and Beck Vantage, and I have secured grade A's in both. My Beck mentor at college, Shweta Parokari, helped me tackle all the various sections that a Beck exam tests you in, one at a time. I have come to the Beck exam with a lot of confidence. It is one of the highest quality international exams that I've ever been through. It has showed my prospective employers that I have the required English language communication skill set that is needed to excel in a business environment. It has helped me distinguish between formal letters and formal emails and has greatly improved my analytical reading and writing skills. So to all undergraduate and graduate students out there, I recommend you to give the Beck exam a shot.
Hello everyone, I'm Ananya. I had taken my Beck Vantage exam 2 years ago during my second year of engineering. The exam and also the preparation involved in it has helped me in many ways. During the preparation, I had improved my formal writing skills and also improvised on my speaking and presentation skills, which has made me more professional in my approach. Having the Beck Vantage certificate on my resume has enhanced my resume and has helped me land better job opportunities. It is also an added advantage during my MBA interviews, which I would be attending in the future. I'm really glad I took this exam, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my experience with you.
Hi, I'm Nitya, an undergraduate student majoring in computer science from Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology. I've had the advantage to greatly improve my interpersonal skills during my preparation of Business English Certificate Beck at Vantage level. Beck has helped me understand formal email writing better, and it has helped me score brownie points in my campus interview because of the business jargon that I was introduced to during my preparation. If you are a student and are aiming to pursue higher studies abroad, you should definitely give Beck a shot.
Hello, I'm Sajanya. I'm pursuing my final year Computer Science Engineering at Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, India. Qualifying both Vantage and preliminary examinations gave me an edge over other applicants applying for campus placements, which led me to secure a job in a top-tier MNC. The preparation helped me in other testing examinations as well. It improved my reading and writing skills too. If you want to test your English skills, then Beck is a great platform.
Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Bele and I am currently studying at Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology. I would like to share my experience about the Business English Certificate examination that I qualified in March 2012. The exam helped me enhance my communication skills in particular and overall personality in general. The skills that were tested were reading, listening, speaking and writing, which help you improve both verbal and non-verbal communication. It also helped me attempt exams like TOEFL and IELTS confidently. So therefore I recommend you definitely take the exam.
Hi, I'm Gaurav Patil. I'm studying Computer Science Engineering at Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology. I've cleared both the levels of Beck, that is the preliminary and the Vantage. Clearing these exams gave me a lot of confidence, and the preparation process also helped me face a lot of interviews in my college campus. Not only that, but it also gave me confidence to appear for examinations like the IELTS, which is conducted by the British Council. So I suggest everyone to take this examination.
Hello, my name is Janvi and I'm in my final year pursuing Bachelor's of Technology at Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology. Well, Beck has always been an asset for me. Beck certificate comes quite in handy when you're going to any interview because I was personally at an advantage with the certificate, and during the phase of preparation for my Beck exam, I've come across a lot of new words and I've learned to pronounce a lot of words properly, and it's all thanks to our mentor Shweta ma'am. Finally, Beck has boosted my confidence, so you should definitely give it a shot. Thank you.
Hello, I am Satvik Reddy studying Information Technology at Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology. The preparation process of BEC helped me to improve my listening, writing, speaking and other skills. BEC Vantage has a standard of its own. I learned a lot of new terminologies used in the business corporate world. It helped me to crack interview of 2 companies, as English is a very important aspect when it's a HR round of interview. I suggest each and every individual to take BEC examination as it helps them in their future endeavors.